This is ONEPLUS Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can check your data usage on this device. Firstly, you will need to open Settings app. From here, if you would like to see your Wi-Fi data usage, go for the Wi-Fi category, then expand this additional menu, go into More Settings, and here is the Wi-Fi data usage, as well as the data usage by app sections. On the other hand, if you would like to check your cellular data usage, get back to the main settings menu, then go for the mobile network, tap at the SIM card you would like, or excuse me once again, go for the data usage over here, and at the data usage page you can see the amount of data usage through both SIM 1 and SIM 2 respectively, as well as if you will have any amount of mobile data used, the data usage by app section will be available. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.